So tonight I want to talk about a topic that is very, very, very central to my practice. So I know you're seeing the title, but what do you think we'll be talking about tonight? So stop trusting your gut. What do you think is the topic tonight? Tonight I want to talk about mechanical trading. And I'm telling you guys, I will try not to get too passionate, but I don't promise anything, okay? Please listen to the webinar tonight. Please try to follow that process as much as possible. Your journey doesn't have to be that hard. Your journey doesn't have to mean you lose money. I mean, not too much, okay? It can be easier if you're ready to put the hard work of switching your brain and becoming a goddamn trader. So let's jump in. Tonight agenda. Can you just put in the chat the number of years that you've been trading? And if it's not a year, just put the number of weeks so I have an idea of your experience and journey so far. So tonight I want to talk about, like I said, mechanical trading and how mechanical trading can help us, can save us. So we'll talk about the emotional trader, the disciplined trader, the scientist, and the risk manager, and all the stages that we need to reach the level of success that we want, okay? So mechanical trading simply means following predefined rules, okay? Without exception. Instead of relying on your gut feelings or changing moods, we let a system guide our decisions. So we don't really decide at the end. It's simply the execution of a system. So it's very systematic. You follow a clear and hopefully simple process. And it's objective, very important, not subjective, so you don't put yourself in the way. It doesn't change based on whether we're nervous, tired, or excited. When you trade mechanically, every decision comes from your process, not from your human brain. Why people lose money consistently, why 80% of people fail, is because they stay human in the markets, and it's very dangerous to do so. Here, discretionary versus mechanical. I swear, when I started trading, I was very, very, very discretionary. And that was a disaster because I could feel price action, okay? I couldn't take decision on the fact that, it's going down, so I should short, right? So mechanical trading is rule-based, like I said, and I will repeat that over and over again tonight, okay? It's testable, it's repeatable, it's a recipe. If I want to bake an apple pie, I need a recipe for an apple pie, not for brownies. It's a recipe from the list of ingredients to how long it has to cook. I have all the information there. Nothing is missing. That means that you can measure it, your system, refine it, and execute consistently. On the other hand, and usually when we start trading, not for everyone, but for most of us, discretionary trading depends heavily on emotions and intuition. And it's not the same intuition as the one that you get with experience. It is the beginner's intuition. So it's much harder to measure. And because of that, the results are not consistent. The only thing that is consistent is you losing money. So this is why so many traders struggle. They feel confident. One day they feel they have a lot of willpower, and someday they feel uncertain. Or maybe after a losing trade, something shifts in their brain and they stop being mechanical. So one simple way to remove inconsistency in your trading results is going back to your trading strategy and its system. Bonjour, Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series and don't forget to like and subscribe.